friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Raddy from Incredibox Scrumpi. So first we're going to get started with the eye, and on the right hand side we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. We're going to move over to the left hand side, lining it up at the exact same height, and we're just going to replicate that. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line directly across. And then as we move underneath for the pupil, we're just going to draw in a half circle. For the mouth, we're going to draw in a straight line across from left to right. For the eyebrow on the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line over. And then we'll line that up at the same height on the left-hand side and replicate that. Let's move up and draw in the spikes now. So in the center, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. We're going to leave a gap coming down on the right, curving that across. And then we'll come over on the left-hand side and replicate that. Now we're going to draw in a diagonal line on the top, and then we'll do the same thing on the right, joining that together at a point. And we're going to do that as we move all the way over and across towards the left. So drawing in a diagonal line, meeting that at a point in the middle. Now from here, we're going to close off the top of the head, curving this line over, bringing that behind and through. On the left-hand side now, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. On the bottom now, continuing this from the side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to blend this in together, curving this line around, and then blending that back in on the bottom. Let's draw in the ears now. So on the top, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes further out on both sides. And then from that point on the top, we're going to bring this diagonal line out on the bottom. Now for the body, we're going to draw in a diagonal line on the left-hand side that gets wider as we come down towards the base. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. And then now from here, we're going to close this off on the bottom with a straight line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw Raddy from Incredibox Scrumpi. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.